35 Victor, runway 26 right, clear for the option.
26 right, clear for the option.
6 Mike Sierra still holding.
November 6 Mike Sierra, sorry about that. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff, left turn at the river, approved.
Southwest at the river, 6 Mike Sierra. See, so she was screwing up, but you don't want to be snotty to her because
You can be snotty back.
that's like being snotty to your mother when she's done slapping your face or smacking your butt or whatever. But you know, doesn't matter whether she's right or wrong, she's your mother, right?
Yeah.
I'll think of her as your mother. Okay, so now, aileron into the wind to start with, you know.
3 miles
mixture goes rich.
165 interchange, inbound full stop.
Canopy's locked,
26 right if
boost
possible.
pumps on.
Number 5157.
Ease the throttle in, and then as you go faster and faster, you take some, but not all of the aileron
Yeah,
out,
we'll follow
okay?
the 605 southbound for a base.
So track that center line with your feet. Now don't take it all out. Don't take it all out. All right. Now rotate, just gently. Look at that. That was very nice. So now get to the center line. All right. Now switch hands. Switch hands. Okay. Now retract your flaps. All right. Now you want to climb away at 90, and if it doesn't want to go to 90, then you put it there and trim the pressure off. Right. All right. So if it doesn't want to go to 90, then you say, okay, it looks good to me. All right. But if you're fighting it at all, then you trim it. You know what to do. All right, now is the ball centered? Good boy. Good boy. Good dog. All right. That's what Rose says to me. Good dog. All right. Let's turn right just a couple of degrees because we're kind of edging over towards that runway, okay? So right about there. Hold that heading right there. Whatever it says here, hold it, okay? Okay, now when we get to 1,000 feet, I want you to reach down and switch this pump off, okay? All right, so you switch hands again. All right, now above 1,000 feet, you can also let go of that, you know. I'd just like you to hold on to it to 1,000, okay? Now 1,000. Now you just, if it sputters or anything,
Number 577, turn
you turn it right back on, okay?
Clear to land.
But it's not.
Direct number 26 right, clear to land, 577.
All right, now we're a little bit slow, so make sure you're not pulling.
At 26
So I'm going to say, switch hands again. Trim the nose down just
Number
to...
111 Quebec Long Beach Tower.
All right, see what that does. Give it time. If you want to climb out right about there a little bit. So, all right, just go real easy on the trim and make sure that you're not holding it here. Just hold it like it's a kitten. And it's hot.
Quebec, hold short of runway 26.
Oh, that's perfect. Now you got it, see?
runway 26 right.
Good for hands-off flight.
Yeah. Okay, here comes the river. So in a couple of seconds, we're going to turn to 210 for heading. Let's see what this baby says. It says about 26, and that's about right. So we'll turn to 210, okay? About right now, just a nice easy turn. All right. 210 is your new heading and looking for traffic, all right? All right, now roll out right about 210, okay?
This is so cool.
Isn't it?
I've only flown in a 170 and a 2 in the Skycatcher, and you know.
Yeah.
But this one's my favorite.
Already, huh?
Yep.
All right, every once in a while, let's just lower the nose and make sure we're not headed straight at anybody, okay? Okay, I don't see anybody.
I
Do
don't
you?
see anyone.
All right,
Number 111 Quebec, no delay, traffic 1.5 miles, final runway 26 right, clear for
now, in a
takeoff.
few seconds, she's going to give us a frequency change.
November
If she doesn't, we'll just take it. Because at 2,600, we're out of her airspace vertically, and we're almost out of it.
577, Cessna departing.
We're almost out of it horizontally.
577, I got
So
it.
we're out of her airspace.
111 Quebec, no delay,
All
please.
right, all right. 6 Mike Sierra, we'll see you in about half an hour.
Number 6 Mike Sierra, free stream for
Push that button.
Long Beach Practice, Cessna 986 Bravo, Bravo, 2,000 feet approaching Queen's Gate from the eastbound, heading west, 2,000 feet. Going to be turning back to Torrance now, last call.
Okay, now listen to what I say and how I say it. Palos Verdes, Long Beach Practice area, red, white, and blue low-wing Robin, about 1.5 miles northwest of the Queen. We're climbing through 3,000 for 6,000. We'll be working offshore between 4,000 and 6,000. All right, now, anybody that's listening, and they should be.
Cherokee 90 Sierra, 4,000 feet over Trump Golf Course, doing salt.
All right, Mr. Over Trump Golf Course, we're going to be offshore between the Ball Diamond and the Horseshoe, but we're going to be a couple miles offshore at least.
Yeah, we're keeping it pretty much right over the shoreline, so we'll be good.
I think we will. Have a good flight.
Stand back. He's not doing flips.
Long Beach Practice, White Cessna, 2 miles southeast of Angels Gate, 3,400, back to Torrance,
Now see,
Long Beach.
fuel pressure says 0, but obviously it's not. But look, if we turn the pump back on, it goes up, see? And we're going to turn it on for aerobatics, okay?
All right.
But we can leave it off for now. And we've got plenty of fuel. We had 16 gallons. This thing will go about 2 hours on 16 gallons. No way are we going to fly 2 hours, okay?
All right.
So when we get up there, remember we're going to do a couple of steep turns first. And if you don't get them right, it's okay. It's a new airplane. You know, just something to work with, just to get the feel of the airplane. And I want you to try to get them right. 45 degrees bank, you know, the ball centered. Less than 100 feet change in altitude, you know. And if you don't get it right, unless it's like dangerous, you know, it's okay. If it gets squirrely, I'll
Long Beach Practice,
either
White
yell at you or
Cessna,
I'll
half
fix
mile
it.
southwest of Angels Gate, 3,000, descending.
Let's take another look.
Back to Torrance, this is last call, Long Beach.
I don't see anybody, do you? Nope.
Cherokee 90
See, we're close to Torrance, but we're like, we're 1,500 feet above the airspace, almost, 1,800 feet above the airspace. It only goes up
TV traffic,
to
white and blue
24.
swing is over Point Furman, 4,000 feet eastbound, CD.
TV, Long Beach traffic, Diamond Star, 3 Delta Sierra, 1 mile south of the eastern of the breakwater, 2,000 descending to 1,500.
So he's
and we're
way
going to be
down
westbound
that
along the
way. The
breakwater.
east end of the breakwater is way miles
Long
down
Beach
that way.
Practice, that's 8432 Mike, is a beam Queen Millie, 3,000 feet southbound, Long Beach.
All right, we're going to keep on climbing. Oh, it's really not too cold, is it?
No,
All right,
feels
good.
good.
All right, got your speed because you got a nice light touch. Nav lights are on, and they should be. Okay, good. All right, good. Everything's looking, I'm going to lean it a bit now because we're above 3,000 feet. That EGT will go up a little bit, okay?
A little bit clouds, but not bad.
Oh, those are thousands of feet above us.
No, I mean down there, there's...
Oh, yeah, that's nothing. That's scattered.
All right.
And how high do we have to be above them anyway?
2,000.
No, 1,000.
1,000.
TV Practice Area, Cherokee 9, number Sierra, 3,500, speed turns over Trump Golf.
There's a guy to our right over there, but we're fine.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah, he's good.
So we're going to level off at 6,000.
Yes. Okay, so level off. Right, so the nose should be about right. About right there. Now trim, now you let it accelerate a little bit. And I'll tell you what, we're going to go a little bit slower. We're going to bring the power back to about 20, and that should help you, okay? And then whatever you do, we need to do with trim to level off. We don't want to be going too fast when we do our steep turns. All right, now that nose is too high. So once you get to 6,000, you're going to have to lower it a bit, all right? Okay, now, all right, good. So let's just do a medium 30-degree bank turn first, so let's clear, all right? All right?
TV traffic, Diamond Star 300, 1,500.
A little bit of back
About a half
pressure.
mile south of Point Furman,
Yeah, you're losing
westbound
it. A
TV
little back
traffic.
pressure. There you go, looking for traffic. Now as you get to 6,000, relax a bit. You can use your trim if you need to. All right, now let's go the other way. Other way. Now don't see you're descending here. All right, look, you're descending. Need some back pressure.
And caution over Nichols, jumping in progress, 13,500 and below Nichols. TV Practice area 2,500, turns over Trump Golf.
You want to try a steep one now?
All right, yeah, ready?
All right, so let's get
TV traffic Diamond Star 300, a half mile south of the baseball diamond, 1,500 westbound.
Turn towards the island. Let's get it up there. All right. Now roll out, all right. All right, now let's get a little power in and trim your speed's awfully low, so I'm going to trim the nose down, add a little power, okay? Let's get her up there. $6,000. Now we're going to level at 6, okay? So we can see. All right, so you're pointed at the end of the island, right?
Kind of.
All right, so maybe a little more power, get the nose up just a little bit.
And traffic in the PV Practice area, 135 with you carrying out of Torrance, coming up over the hill, climbing 3,500 feet now to 4,500 feet. 5 with you carrying over PV Practice.
All right.
TV Practice area, we're currently at 3,500 feet over Trump Golf Course. We're doing some simulated failures, simulated inspires, 3,000.
No, that's not enough. Need that, all right? And the ball has to be centered.
Palm Beach traffic, white and blue swing is about 2 miles south of Queens Gate. We're at 4,000 feet, maneuvering to the west.
Little back pressure. All right, roll out and then release that back pressure. So you got to release it, see?
All right, yeah.
All right, now go the other way. All right, now make sure that you get the back pressure and you get the ball centered. All right, and pull the back pressure in. Pull the back pressure. Now that's too much bank. All right. Right about there, okay? Now release the back, relax the back pressure a little bit. Keep the bank, ball centered beautifully. Nice job, Phillip. Easy, all right? If you can catch it. All right, that's not bad for your first try. Let's start with a loop, okay? So those are our clearing turns, okay?
All right.
All right, so let's do this together. Put your hand on the thing. We're going to pull the power back a little bit. We're going to push the nose down, okay? All right. Boost pump is coming on, okay? We're right towards the end of the island there, okay?
All right.
All right. Now when we get 150, we're going to pull.
All right.
Now. Okay, 5,300. Pull. Not so hard. A little less. All right. Now relax. Full power. Now relax a little bit. Pull the power back a little bit. Just a little, Phillip.
All right.
All right. Now pull. Pull with your right hand. Look at that.
All right. My headset was falling off. That was great.
We came right out at the right altitude. Okay?
Oh, man, that was
Want to do
fun.
another?
Yeah.
How's your tummy? Okay, lower the nose. Okay, let's get back up to 6 first. Climb back up to 6 at 90, okay?
Yeah,
That was pretty
my
good.
headset.
All right. All right, let's turn back towards shore.
All right.
Climb, shallow turn. All right, look at where you're going. All right, climb. Okay, we're going about 900 feet a minute. Good.
That was
Free
cool.
Practice, Diamond Star 3 Delta Sierra, about 1 mile south of the Trump Golf Course at 1,500 westbound along the coast.
Okay, roll out of your turn. We'll go a little bit further
Army
north.
traffic, blue and white sling is south of Angels Gate, 3,000 feet. We are climbing up to 4,000 feet, maneuvering.
Would you like to try on your own? Just listen to me. Yeah, okay, fine. No, but do what I say. If I keep saying something, then you're not doing enough or you're doing too much. Okay, all right.
2,500 for simulated engine failure to 1,000.
Push the nose over now. Push the nose over and pull the throttle back with it. Push the nose over. Push it over harder. Push it over harder. If I keep saying it, that should be good. A little bit, tiny bit more. All right, now we're looking right at the golf course, right? Your speed's increasing, right? Yeah. Hold the nose down. When I tell you, you start pulling, okay? All right, start now. Start pulling. Now, easy. Throttle in. Throttle in. In! Phillip. Does that make sense to pull the throttle out, pull? Now relax the pull a little bit. All right, now relax the throttle a little bit. Throttle back. Throttle back. Keep pulling. Keep pulling, Phillip. Keep pulling. All right, you got off your heading a bit. All right, you still did a loop. Let's climb. And you're right at your altitude. All right. So that's good. Yeah. All right. All right. You want to see the bell roll? Not the bell roll, but the just regular roll. Sure. Okay. What's the regular roll? Hold on. Let's see. I'm just checking the speed.
Palace British Practice, 7 stars, 3 Delta Sierra at Point Vicinity Lighthouse at 1,500. We are now going to be turning northwest bound.
Okay, so I'm helping you a little bit here. Let's not have a wrestling contest, okay? All right, so we're going to lower the nose a little bit. We're going to do this one together, okay? All right, we're going to lower the nose a little bit. We're going to pick up 106, so not much, okay? All right, now we're going to pick the nose up. Now go hard over with the
Traffic swing is south of Angels Gate, 3,400, descending down to 3,000.
All right. All right. Now, let's do our seatbelts a little more. I forgot to tell you, okay? So do your seatbelt. All right. I've got it. You do your seatbelt, okay? And do the hips, too. Okay, that better? Yep. All right, climb back up to 6. All right, you need power to climb. All right, now let's kind of turn slow. All right, now let's go the other way. Other way. Now, don't you see you're good descending here. All right, look, you're descending. Need some back pressure.
And caution over Nichols, jumping in progress, 13,500 and below Nichols. KV Practice area 2,500, turns over Trump Golf.
Want to try a steep one now?
All right, yeah, ready?
All right, so let's get it.
Traffic on the star, 3 a half mile south of the baseball sign, 1,500 westbound.
Turn towards the island. Let's get it up there. All right. Now roll out. All right. All right. Now let's get a little power in and trim your speed's awfully low, so I'm going to trim the nose down, add a little power. Okay. Let's get her up there. $6,000. Now we're going to level at 6, okay, so we can see. All right, so you're pointed at the end of the island, right? Kind of. All right, so maybe a little more power, get the nose up just a little bit.
And traffic in the PV Practice area, 135 with carrying out of Torrance, coming up over the hills, climbing 3,500 feet now to 4,500 feet. 5 with Tango, PV Practice.
All right.
KV Practice area 39, we're currently at 3,500 feet over Trump Golf Course. We're doing some simulated engine failures, simulated engine fires, 3,000.
No, that's not enough. Need that, all right? And the ball has to be centered.
Army traffic, white and blue swing is about 2 miles south of Queens Gate. We're 4,000 feet, maneuvering to the west.
Little back pressure. All right, roll out and then release that back pressure. So you got to release it, see?
All right, yeah.
All right, now go the other way. All right, now make sure that you get the back pressure and you get the ball centered. All right, and pull the back pressure in. Pull the back pressure. Now that's too much bank. All right. All right, right about there, okay? Now release the back, relax the back pressure a little bit. Keep the bank, ball centered beautifully. Nice job, Phillip. Easy, all right. If you can catch it. All right, that's not bad for your first try. Let's start with the loop, okay? So those are our clearing turns, okay? All right, so let's do this together. Put your hand on the thing. We're going to pull the power back a little bit. We're going to push the nose down, okay? All right, boost pump is coming on, okay? We're right towards the end of the island there, okay? All right, now when we get 150, we're going to pull. All right. Now. Okay, 5,300, pull. Not so hard, a little less. All right, now relax, full power. Now relax a little bit, pull the power back a little bit. Just a little, Phillip. All right, now pull with your right hand. Look at that. All right. My headset was falling off. That was great. We came right out at the right altitude. Okay? Oh, man, that was fun. Want to do another? Yeah. How's your tummy? Okay, lower the nose. Oh, let's get back up to 6 first. Climb back up to 6 at 90, okay? Yeah, that was pretty good. Headset. All right. All right, let's turn back towards shore. All right. Climb. Shallow turn. All right, look at where you're going. All right, climb. Okay, we're going about 900 feet a minute. Good.
Phillip Practice 7 Star 3 Delta Sierra, about 1 mile south of the Trump Golf Course at 1,500 westbound along the coast.
Okay, roll out of your turn. We'll go a little bit further north.
Traffic blue and white plane is south of Angels Gate, 3,000 feet. We are climbing up to 4,000 feet. Maneuvering.
Would you like to fly on your own? Just listen to me. Yeah, okay, fine. No, but do what I say. If I keep saying something, then you're not doing enough or you're doing too much. Okay, all right.
2,500 for simulated engine failure down to 1,000.
Push the nose over now. Push the nose over and pull the throttle back with it. Push the nose over. Push it over harder. Push it over harder. If I keep saying it, that should be good. A little bit, tiny bit more. All right, now we're looking right at the golf course, right? Your speed's increasing, right? Yeah. Hold the nose down. When I tell you, you start pulling, okay? All right, start now. Start pulling. Now, easy. Throttle in. In! Phillip. Does that make sense to pull the throttle out, pull? Now relax the pull a little bit. All right, now relax the throttle a little bit. Throttle back. Keep pulling, Phillip. Keep pulling. All right, you got off your heading a bit. All right, you still did a loop. Let's climb. And you're right at your altitude. All right. So that's good. Yeah. All right. You want to see the bell roll? Not the bell roll, but the just regular roll? Sure. Okay. What's a regular roll? Hold on. Let's see. I'm just checking the speed.
British Practice 7 Star 3 Delta Sierra at Point Vicinity Lighthouse at 1,500. We are now going to be turning northwestbound.
Okay, so I'm helping you a little bit here. Let's not have a wrestling contest, okay? All right, so we're going to lower the nose a little bit. We're going to do this one together, okay? All right, we're going to lower the nose a little bit. We're going to pick up 106, so not much, okay? All right, now we're going to pick the nose up. Now go hard over with the stick.
Plane is south of Angels Gate, 3,400, descending down to 3,000.
All right. Now, let's do our seatbelts over. I forgot to tell you, okay? So do your seatbelt. All right. I've got it. You do your seatbelt, okay? And do the hips, too. Okay, that better? Yep. All right, climb back up to 6. All right, you need power to climb. All right, now let's just kind of turn slow. Okay, so we should be looking down for traffic. We're not going to lose much altitude on this. Okay, now roll out towards the end of the island. Okay, now throttle back a little bit. I push the nose down to right about where my finger is. Push the nose down. Now when you bring it up, don't be so rough. Bring it up. All right. Now a little bit more. Now roll. Now push on the stick a little bit. Continue the roll. Look at that. Same place. Good job. All right. Not bad. Okay. Now I'm going to show you a snap roll, okay? All right. How do you feel? How's your tummy? Okay, good. That gasoline smell could be a little... I'm going to pull this out and get some more fresh air in here, okay? How about yours? You got fresh air? Let
me see.
Are you getting any air?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, you got some air?
Climbing practice area, South 95200 Whiskey over the Queen Mary,
Yeah, I got you.
2,800,
All right,
climbing
good.
3,000
All right,
southbound.
there's your 6. All right, so we're going to do the flick roll, which is at 86. So we don't have to bring the power back too much, okay? Actually, we will. We'll bring it back to idle. All right, bring your nose up just a little bit. We're going to do this one together. We're going to pick the nose up, straight back on the stick,
Practice area,
straight back,
Cessna
step it on the
773
rudder.
Bravo Alpha, 1 mile to the north
Right
of the
rudder.
horseshoe. Doing
All right, we can do that
east-west
faster.
along
We can do that faster.
National
Let's
Golf
go
Course.
together, back and rudder.
Practice area.
Right rudder.
TV practice area, Cherokee 90 Sierra, 1,000 feet over Trump Golf Course. We're headed back over to Long Beach.
Hardly lost any altitude, okay?
Oh, that was fun.
All right, good. All right. So, let me show you a barrel roll, okay?
All right.
All right?
Yeah.
Now, this is my version of a barrel roll. Let's climb up to 6 again, okay?
All right.
All right, so use some power. Nice gentle bank, looking where we're going, looking for traffic. Boost pumps on. All right, keep turning. All right, you got your 6,000. All right, I'm going to show you a barrel roll, and you try to work through it with me, okay?
All right. All right.
All right. So, we'll pull the power back a little bit so we don't overspeed the engine. We'll get a little bit of a dive going here, and we'll go to 130, okay?
All right.
We'll pick the nose up. We'll start a rolling left turn. All right, now, top rudder, right rudder, forward stick. Neutralize the pedals. Now go forward again. Back on the stick.
Hold up point for me.
All right.
3,000.
All right, you want to try it on your own? Yeah. All right, you do it. All right. All right, we don't want to go too much on the power, okay?
All right.
So we get to 130, so lower your nose a little bit. Lower your nose. Don't fight with me. All right. Now bring it, start a right turn. All right. Now start pulling and rolling left. Rolling left. Okay, top rudder. Forward stick. All right. Neutralize the, now left rudder. Look at that. That was fucking beautiful. I mean, excuse me. I'm not supposed to swear in front of you.
Oh, it's fine.
All right. Don't tell your dad. All right. Hey, that was good, huh?
Now tell her, Dad.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, but don't tell your dad that I said the...
No, the video will.
Yeah. Oh, shoot, I said shit. Okay. Now, before things get possibly bad, let's do a couple of spins, and after the spins, if you say, me want more, we'll do some more. Yeah, okay. So let's do the spins. So let's climb up to 6,000 again in a slow climbing left turn. Boost pumps on, flaps are up, mixture's good. Slow, shallow climbing left turn. That's good. You're getting 700 feet a minute. That's good. Just a slow climbing left turn. Now remember, the trick is, and it's not wrong if you don't do it right, but let's see if you can get it right the first time. That stick comes straight back between your legs, and then that left rudder goes to the floor, and you hold it until you show recover. And then it's the right rudder to the floor, and when it stops spinning, you go whoop.
Long Beach Doctor, Cessna 7432 Mexico, also half mile south of the Angels, get 3,000, we have traffic in sight.
You want me to show you one first?
Practice traffic.
I think I got it.
All right, we'll see.
3,000, 2 miles, there's a point for me, 3,000, and we have traffic inside.
I want to impress.
All right. Okay, so now start throttling back and raising your nose, and when you hit 60, you just come straight back with the stick and full left rudder, but come back with the stick a split second ahead of the rudder, okay?
Golf course.
All right.
Practice area.
All right, throttle back. Now hold the nose up, let it lead off to 60. When you hit 60, that's it. You come straight back with the stick, all the way till it stops. Hold it.
TV practice, blue and white, sling is...
Now, straight back, left rudder. Hold the stick in the middle. Hold it, rudder to the floor. Recover, right rudder. Stop, neutralize. That was pretty good, but bring your nose up. Pretty good. All right. Now, how do you feel?
I feel great.
All right, let's climb back up to 6. You only lost 1,000. That's pretty good for your first time, man. That's very good. All right. Climb at 90. Tummy's okay?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Did you do better than her?
You did almost as good. I don't think the rudder was all the way to the floor, but it was pretty close. So you get another try. You get another one, okay? Remember, she was already a pilot.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we'll give, and she's older, okay, and cuter. All right, so climb at 90. Good job. Nice.
I think that's the biggest up for
climbing
her.
left turn. Just a gentle bank, gentle bank.
TV traffic, white and blue sling over Point Berman. We are 2,500, making our way to Torrance. Last call.
Okay, last call, Sling. We're at Beam Horseshoe at 5,600 in a climb. We're going to do aerobatics offshore. You see how she went click, click.
Practice Gag 905, 29 Risky, but 3,500.
I see this is tumbled. Yeah, this is off, but not that much, okay? But this
I don't believe that.
That's what you call tumbled, okay? From all the aerobatics, okay? So nice, easy turn, keep her going. Now this time, just make sure you got that left leg pinned to the floor, and then when you recover, right leg, and then when I say, when it stops, don't wait for me to tell you, just go whoop, and then relax a tiny bit, and then immediately start pulling gently as soon as you relax to unload the wings. We're going to go towards the island, okay? All right. All right, you can pull the throttle back. You can pull the throttle all the way back, all right? All right, we'll go right now. Get that nose up. When it hits 60, you come straight back, and it's just a split second later, you go left rudder. Don't wait to tell you, just do it, okay?
All right.
Just do it. Push it to the floor. Now hold it. Make sure you hold it. Hold it. 1, 2, recover, right pedal to the floor. Now stop, neutralize, neutralize. Now back on the stick. Back. No, not that.
Oh, okay.
No, just the stick, okay? All right, not the throttle. You're going downhill. If you were driving a car downhill that steep, would you hit the gas?
No.
Okay, well, duh. All right, let's do, want to do one more?
Yep.
Are you good for, okay, climb back up and don't do that. Otherwise, that was very good.
All
but
right.
don't do that.
All right, yeah, no front. All right. I don't know what
Think about it. You came over the edge of a steep hill. You're going to hit the gas? No, you're not. Well, you hit the gas, all right? And that's not good for the aircraft. Or the recovery. You would have recovered better if you hadn't been putting the gas to it, okay? So climb at 90, the same as before. All right, let's clear a little bit. So just kind of turn left a little bit. Just clear, look below you. All right?
TV Practice.
All right, keep turning, keep turning.
3 to the south of the Horseshoe, 4,100 northwest bound, maneuvering. ATP plane in sight.
And I couldn't hear for certain, sir. Did you call me inside? I'm about 55, and I'm south of the Horseshoe a couple of miles, 5,500.
Negative. What direction are you going?
Well, we're up here doing aerobatics, so basically we're staying a couple miles offshore, trying to stay between the golf course and the Horseshoe. We're doing a pretty good job. We're mostly by the Horseshoe.
Okay, yeah. We're 4,100. We'll stay to the east of the golf course until you finish up.
If you're skimming the golf course, there'll be no problem at all. All right, so let's turn inbound
And
again.
TV Practice 5 Whiskey Tango is in
Towards
the
land.
Point Vicente vicinity.
Nice gentle turn.
And we are 6,800 feet maneuvering.
Last aircraft, say again, altitude.
We're 6,900.
And where are you again, sir?
Point Vicente, we're well aware of you and we got you on our scope. We're keeping away from your airspace.
Very good. Thank you. All right, so
We're
now
watching you.
throttle back. He's 15 years old. It's his first time. He's doing a great job. Okay, now you know what to do. When you hit
it's a great
60,
time to start.
when you hit 60, you come straight back and a split second later, full left rudder. And don't be shy about that left rudder. Come on, push it. And don't go sideways on the stick. 1, 2, recover. Right full rudder, relax, okay, neutralize the pedals, relax, now pull. All right, 900 foot recovery, not a bad job. All right, how do you feel?
Really good.
All right, good. Okay, I'm going to show you one, or try to show you one. I've got it, and then we're going to go home, maybe get 2 landings, okay? All right, I've got the aircraft. You can shadow me, okay? All right. And I've been working on this one, and sometimes I do it good, and sometimes I don't. Tighten your seatbelt. All right. All right, we don't need to go to 6 for this, all right? We're just going to lower the nose, pick up some speed. We don't have to go clear to 150, all right? And I'm going to tell you what I'm doing. Okay, we're going to go nose up, all the way to vertical. Look at the wing. Look at the wing. All right, now I'm going to go snap roll, recover, and I'm going to fuck it. I'm going to screw it up. All right. I'm going to try it one more time. All right, it was too late. All right, we're going to do it one more. Pick up a little speed. All right, go vertical again. All right, look at the wing. It should be pointed straight up. Snap roll. Okay, and now left. That was better.
That was really good.
That was better. Okay, now we'll go into a barrel roll. All right, and we're going to go climbing left turn, top rudder, full stick forward, neutralize the pedals, left rudder, boom, snap roll. Okay, when I tell you, you do the snap roll, just go straight back and full left pedal when I tell you. All right. Now, beautiful, right pedal. Oh! Oh boy, let's go home.
That was a great.
Did you have a good time?
Thank you so much. That was a ball.
All right.
Can we do one more barrel roll?
Sure, let's do it together, okay? Well, look, we're still in the box and we have enough altitude. We're going to go to the right a little bit. All right. And we're going to pull up into a climbing left turn. All right, now, left turn, keep rolling. Now top rudder. Now forward stick, neutralize the pedal. Now left rudder. That's not bad. All right, good. You're not shy. You're just a little ahead of the game. All right, good. We'll level off here at 31 for now. Head straight across the ball diamond down there to Long Beach, okay? I'll call and get to you. Practice area, red, white, and blue. Robin, we're going home. We're currently south of the golf course. We're going to cross the shoreline at the ball diamond, going straight back to Long Beach. Last call. Okay.
That was great.
So, you weren't disappointed?
No. Would you like to squawk CFR? Clearance delivery prior to taxi on 118.15 with position on departure point.
Okay, we can go a little faster.
133.0.
Okay, we turn the whistle off for now. Get to make sure a little bit, just a little. The airport's right in front of us, okay?
Clearly 120 feet, wingspan or less. Advise on initial contact. Use information November.
Look, that almost came back. I wouldn't trust it yet.
Beach for information November time 2253 Zulu, weather wind 170 at Niner. Visibility 8, sky conditions, sky clear below 2000. Temperature 182.11, altimeter 2989, ILS runway 30 approaching east. Runway 30 arrivals and runway 26 left, tower frequency 119.4. Runway 30 departures and runway 26 right, tower frequency.
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 30 shuttle.
All right, come right just a little bit. Long Beach Tower, Robin 216, Mike here with November. We're crossing the shoreline about a mile west of Point Furman at 3000. Inbound for the right.
Number 216, Mike here, Long Beach Tower, runway 26 right. Report midfield at or above 2000.
Midfield at or above 26, Mike here. So we want to...
Number 6, Mike here, traffic 1 mile northwest of Queens, correction, 1 mile northwest of Angels Gate, southbound, type unknown 3300.
We're going to do a little descent here, sir. All right, let's get down.
Roger.
Let's go to 2500.
Long Beach Tower, Cessna 22.
As we're close to Torrance's airspace. If we get step above 24, we're out of their airspace.
Pad 3, clear to land.
So we're on a level at 25, okay?
Pad 3, clear to land, copper 31 X-ray.
Number 2 Delta Mike, runway 26 right, cleared for the opposite.
I'm going to go full rich on a mixture. All right, level at 25.
Number 2235 X Long Beach Tower, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff. Say again, direction.
Okay, bring it up and level off. You can put the power back into about 20.
58, 98, traffic 4 miles west of you, westbound, type unknown 3300, climbing.
Now, if we do this right, we'll get more than one landing, okay? We're going to keep it right at an hour.
Number 6 Mike Sierra, traffic no factor.
6 Mike Sierra. All right. So, see, the reason we want to stay at 25, another 100 feet down, we're in Torrance's airspace, okay?
Number 170 Hotel Lobby Star, departure from Ross will be at road risk, west forward loop approved.
70 Hotel, west forward loop approved.
That looks pretty centered.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Looking good. All right, you see the field, right?
Yeah, I see the field.
All right.
Number 35 Victor, traffic 1 mile, final twin.
Taking off right now, 35 Victor.
How many G's do you think we pulled? 3?
Oh, the most we pulled was 4. Close to 4 on your very first one.
I pulled too hard.
You know what? At least you pulled, okay? You'd be surprised how some of these pussies just don't pull. You know, thinking, what's the matter with you? Did you eat your Wheaties this morning? You know?
Yeah.
They don't say that anymore, do they? Eat your Wheaties.
I've heard it one time.
Yeah.
I've heard it before.
Yeah. Well, that's how they used to get kids to eat their Wheaties, is they'd have all these famous athletes that ate them, and they are good for you. They taste sort of like cardboard, you know.
Yeah.
So the kids would load them up with enough sugar to run the tusk of an elephant. So I don't know how good for them they were, you know, when you had it all done, you know, the cereal's good for you, but the sugar would give diabetes to a buffalo, you know.
Yeah.
I'm just looking for my phone. It's in here someplace, but it's in here. It didn't fall out.
It's not halfway to Catalina.
You're doing great. So now you can begin a very gentle letdown. Just let go of the yoke a little bit. See what she does. All right, just trim her down, just the tiniest bit. Trim her down. Trim her down just a little bit. Just get a little descent. Nothing drives it. We're not doing aerobatics now, okay? Very gentle descent. That's good right there. Yeah, keep the descent really gentle. Add a little power, bring up the nose, whatever. All right, let's turn now. Can you see the runway?
Yeah.
Where's your sunglasses?
They're in the bag. I forgot.
Can you see okay?
Yeah, I can see.
All right, that's dumb. You should wear your sunglasses, okay? And maybe someday you won't have to have artificial lenses put in. I don't know. I'm just saying. All right, line it up.
So we have a bit of a crosswind here.
Oh, yeah, you are. Key the mic and say, wind check, tower.
26 Mike, wind check.
You don't... Okay. You don't
Wind, 190 at 8.
So that's a pretty good cross. Look, 190 is right there, right?
Yeah.
That's a pretty good crosswind, right? So now get on the center line. You're a little bit left of it. Now, don't pull the power back quite that much. Put a little back in, just a little. Right about there. Now see, we're a little bit high. We have 1 red and 3 white, so we're a little bit high. Nothing to be. Don't lower the nose too much. It'll probably settle in. Okay. All right, now you got the crab in. See, the white line's coming through the cockpit, but the nose is pointed over there, right? That's right. That's your crab. Don't pull it over to the left.
Should I start a slip?
Not yet. Not yet. That's too early. Okay, now you're a little bit low now, so just bring the nose up a little bit. Okay, maybe add 50 RPM, all right? Just add a little bit of RPM. Now look at that. You're 2 red and 2 white, right? All right, you're sinking a bit. Okay, switch hands and go full flaps. Okay, that's about all you're going to get. Okay, now hands back on the throttle. Ease the throttle. So 2 red and 2 white. Good. Now it's sinking now, but that's okay. You've made the field, right? So left wing down a little bit, and a little bit of right rudder to keep her straight. See, left wing down just a little bit. Now hold it. Just flare gently. Flare. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Ha ha. Okay, I got the flaps. Let's go. Now rotate gently, 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 gently. Not bad. Not bad at all, huh? It's an easy plane to land. Okay. Next one's mine. You're going to shadow me. Okay, you did really good right there. Okay.
All right.
All right. So those flaps came all the way up.
Number 2 Delta Mike, extend downwind.
Extending downwind, 2 Delta Mike.
November 6 Mike Sierra, Fable, turn crosswind.
6 Mike Sierra. How about a short approach?
Number 6 Mike Sierra, unable short approach traffic departing runway 30 and landing.
6 Mike Sierra. Never hurts to ask.
Yeah.
He would give it to me if they weren't. He always does.
You know him?
Well, they know my voice. Let's put it that way. There's only about 4 or 5 guys that fly this Robin, and I fly it probably the most or the second most, because Rami, you know, flies it. It's his airplane.
Yeah.
You know?
That's why he has it.
Yeah. Okay, so level off here. Yeah, he's got a Southwest jet there. All right, now don't start down. 6 Mike here, we're downwind. Okay, keep it at 1,000.
Number 6 Mike Sierra, roger, follow traffic on mile and a half base, number 2, runway 26 right, cleared land.
6 Mike Sierra.
Number 2 Delta Mike, turn base now, runway 26 right, cleared for the option.
Okay, he should be in front of us. We should see him when he goes wing up, okay? Yeah, there he goes.
Sierra, hold for release, expect 2 minutes.
Him going wing up? Yep. All right.
For the river route northbound.
All right, so now don't sink yet. Stay at 1,000.
8171 Quebec.
Number 8171 Quebec.
So what I'd like you to do is pull the throttle back a little bit and trim the nose up and slow it down a little bit. The throttle back. Now just reach down, now switch hands. Trim the nose up a little bit. We'll just fly a slightly slower airspeed, right? At 1,000, okay?
Number 71 Quebec, Sagan intention.
Now we can't turn base until he goes by us, you know? Yeah, all right.
Number 71 Quebec, at or below 1,500, approved as requested.
At or below 1,500, approved as requested, and have traffic in sight.
But once he goes by us, we're going to count to about 4 slowly. Don't go down. Don't go down. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004. Start your turn. Stay at 1,000.
Southwest 2070, runway 30 line for wait.
So I'm going to let you fly this almost to the end, then I'm going to get the last landing, okay? Right. But you're going to shadow me.
November 2 Delta Mike.
All right, now swirl out.
Traffic, go around and turn right crosswind prior to runway 30.
Going around and we'll turn crosswind before 30 to Delta Mike.
I don't know if she's sending that guy around.
Southwest 2070.
He is.
Okay, I see you're in position.
Right, now, maybe he won't send us around, okay? That guy's going around, see? All right, now line it up. Now I'm going to do a no flapper. And I'm going to take a chance and open my mouth, and I'm going to call my landing point, okay? You see the 2,000-foot distance markers, the 2 rectangles? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try to land right between them on the eastern edge.
2070 wind, 2007, runway 30.
Right. Now you keep flying till then, okay?
Got 30, Southwest 27.
You keep flying. All right, now you're a little high, so relax and maybe power back just a little bit. We're not
Number
using...
2 Delta Mike, follow the Robin on a 1 mile final, runway 26 right, cleared for the opposite.
You're still a little high, so ease the power back just a little. Just a little. There you go.
Did we sneak up on him or did
No, that he had a reason for that. He's probably No, don't do that. He was recovering or launching somebody. See that guy? He's either taking off or landing, I'm not sure. But he didn't want to take a chance on conflict, see? I think that guy's taking off. But don't pay any attention to him now. You stay on the center line. Okay? All right, I'm going to take it now. You shadow me, okay? We're a little bit low. I'm going to add a little bit of power. We got 4 red here, see?
Number 71 Quebec, frequency change approved.
Frequency change, sub-1 Quebec.
I'm just kind of leveling off a little bit.
2070, contact SoCal departure.
Right now I'm trying to keep... See, the nose is pointed over there because of the wind, right?
Yeah,
And I got blown over, so I need a little bit more crab. So I'm going to fix it and then take half of what I put in back out. Staying on the center line. Holding it off, holding it off, holding it off, holding it off, holding it off. How about that?
Whatever.
All right, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
You got it, all right. Okay, slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Whoa, let's not be so aggressive here. 6 Mike Sierra, can we roll out to Bravo?
Number 6 Mike Sierra, approved as requested,
Nice.
contact route.
Slow it down, but gently. 6 Mike Sierra. All right, slow it down, stay on the line, stay on the line. Jesus, Phillip, I had to tell you 20 times today to stay on the line. Okay, now we're going to start a nice, easy left turn over to pick up Bravo, okay?
That feels good.
Easy, 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 Bubba. All right, now slow down and stop. Slow down, stay on the line, on the line. That was an old Johnny Cash song. Because you're mine, I walk the line. Okay. 6 Mike Sierra is at Bravo Kilo Delta for Ross. This is Bravo Kilo, and then that's Delta there.
For 2 and 6 Mike Sierra, Long Beach Command, taxi Bravo to Ross.
Bravo to Ross, 6 Mike Sierra. Let's go, straight ahead. Okay, this is Kilo here. We're on Bravo, that's Delta. So I call Bravo Kilo Delta. Yeah. They can't figure that out, they need to get another job. All right, stay on the line. That's better. Okay, now, stay on the line. Slow down. Slow down, start your turn, inbound, come on, slow down and turn. Slow down and turn, slow down, turn. Pick up this yellow line. Pick it up. Get on the line, it's to the right. All right, slow down, but don't stop. Now you see those that chalk? All right, turn and try to hit that chalk dead square center. That looks pretty good. It's nice and easy though. In case we miss it, we don't want to go crash over there. Oh, just ease it on there, ease it in. Are we stopped? No, we can't be stopped yet.
We're stopped.
Oh, we turned this